Hey, do you want to make money online using social media as your vehicle? All right, so I'm going to tell you the three things you've got to do right now if you want to start making money on social media. So let's get right to it, y'all. So, if you are afraid to talk, if you don't know yet what you want to do, you can start posting memes. And memes are these things that we see. You might see the same conversation by multiple people. You might just see multiple people saying the same types of things. You might see this picture of Denzel with the same message, right? Those are called memes. That is the easiest, simplest way to get started making money on social media right away. And now that I'm looking at this, yeah, so something happened with my page. They stopped because I don't get this much traction, this much action anymore on Instagram. So it could be that I quit posting, but like, check this out. So this is a meme too, but you see, I added my own twist and I put my name on it, right? So if you want to start making money on social media, you want to start posting right away. And let me tell y'all too, here is a bonus. Oh, before I get to any of that, stick around, watch this video until the end because I definitely have a bonus for you. So this video is about three things that you want to do right away if you want to make money on social media, but I got a bonus that you definitely need to hear. Okay. But if it's your first time here, I am Katina Willis, and so I'm a social media influencer and I'm an online business coach. And so welcome. Click on that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. And don't forget, hit that like button and drop a comment for me in the comment section. All right, so let's get back to the memes though. All right, here's another meme, right? This is something so simple anyone can do right away. And then like if you use TikTok, you can use their filters, right? And not even talk. You can just put a message there, right? So let me just skip over to TikTok real quick because like I said, TikTok was my baby. When I first started becoming an influencer, it was really, really easy to grow a following on TikTok, all right? Because I'm going to just tell you, here's, in my opinion, the difference between TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. TikTok is like, tell me this though. Do you think TikTok is just for kids? Because I can promise you it's not. So did you think TikTok was just for kids? Because TikTok, when I first started, spent the most money on business products. I personally think TikTok is where the real people are. Instagram is where most people are pretending to be real people, but they are selling something. But everybody is trying to sell something, right? If they are continuously posting on social media. But on Instagram, it's just too obvious. Everybody is like super rich or telling you how to get super rich. Hey, Instagram is not my favorite. I'm not on TikTok as much anymore. But you could talk about food, you could post memes, you can do all of that, but start posting right away. That's the number one thing you want to do right away. All right. Number two, you want to build a strong audience. You want to own whatever it is you're talking about or whatever it is you're showing, right? So if I look at let's see, I want to look at some of my old IG stuff, right? So some of my old IG stuff, I would talk a lot about real estate investing. Wow, this is cool. I forgot I put that billboard up. So this is when I first got into business funding. That's kind of cool. I would talk about real estate. I would talk about business funding a lot. Like this, two big mistakes when you are a new investor in real estate. And look at this. I always preach to respond to people. And I'm noticing all this stuff where I did not respond or even click like. But this one is about real estate investing. This is business funding. Oh, why you need an LLC. But anyway, my point is this, y'all. Be confident in what you are preaching about. Own whatever you're preaching about. Learn, know, and teach. And don't be afraid either. Somebody's going to steal your information or steal your style, because nobody can be uniquely you like you. Right? So never be afraid. Oh, I'm not going to show this. I'm going to tell y'all. So my niece does hair. She does hair really well. And I told her, you need to start a YouTube channel so you can make money on YouTube by showing people how to do styles. And she was afraid. She said, I don't want people stealing my secrets. And I'm like, let me tell you, even if you show your secrets, that doesn't mean they can do it like you. So don't be afraid, y'all. Don't be afraid. All right. So own what you're doing though. And let me tell you this too. If you like what you've heard so far, click on that like button, y'all, or drop a fire emoji in the comment section, because this really helps me to keep going and delivering the free content. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, lately, I've been just posting information that, were in paid classes that I used to, charge for, but now I'm just posting it free on YouTube, right? Because you know why? I'm continuously learning, so I can just give stuff away for free. So here we go, y'all, with the next step. Now, this is a very, very, very important step, right? When you go to somebody's page, right? Because if you're constantly posting, people are going to get curious about why you're constantly posting. They're going to go to your page and start looking. So when they go to your page, you need to have a link. You've got to have something. Look, this is my Instagram. You see, I have a link tree. When you click on Linktree, it takes you to a variety of products that I am selling. When you look at my Facebook page, right? If I'm constantly posting on Facebook, when you go to my Facebook, I should have my link tree here, but I got like my Instagram, my TikTok, my YouTube, and I do have my website directly. You can go directly to my website where you could buy a lot of products, or, you can see all of the products that I represent, right? When you go to my TikTok, right? So when you go to my TikTok, you will see, for some reason, I can't log into my TikTok on the computer. I only can on my phone, so I'll figure that later. But when somebody comes, they see exactly what I do. Make money from home, coach, real estate broker, government contractor. You can click on my link. And again, you are directed to my link tree. I tell people exactly what I do, right? So that's how you make money from home. But let me tell y'all, here is the most important key element. When you start posting right away, before you start posting right away, you have got to think, what am I going to sell? Right? So you have to decide, am I going to sell and wait to create my own product, or am I going to do affiliate marketing like Katina does, right? So that is what I do. Now, I have my own products and I do a lot of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when the products are done for you, right? So that's how I offer, like, let me show you real quick. That is how, let me get to the link tree. That's how I got the virtual dispensary. Y'all think I'm sitting up there making cannabis products and selling them? No, I'm not. So this is a virtual dispensary. This right here is where entrepreneurs can get done for you websites, right? You click on it, you see like a quick presentation. This is the all-in-one digital business. That's a really cool affiliate product that I'm in. The business loans. I'm not doing any of this work. I love affiliate marketing, y'all, because when you do affiliate marketing, you want to definitely find a company you can trust, right? So a reputable company with a good reputation. So that's why you sign up with, people who you trust. But anyway, you want to find a good company and you can just sell their products, but find a product that is true to you, right? So I'm gonna just tell you, when I first got introduced to the virtual dispensary, well, I take them to a landing page. But let me tell y'all, when I first got introduced to this virtual dispensary, I was like, that ain't me. You know, why would I do that? Right? I am a business product person. I'm a real estate person. That's what I do. But I jumped on it because I knew people who were into like cannabinoid products and stuff like that. So that's why I jumped on it. And that was the easiest one. That's one of the easiest products to sell. I don't even have to do any convincing. People just like it. So but find products, y'all. Find products that are true to you. Like if you're into health and wellness, you can do like the Live Good product, okay? And I'm gonna tell you, I've told y'all once before, ever since I joined Live Good, it's paid either my mortgage or my car note every single month. So that's been a year, over a year ago. So, and the health and wellness, Live Good, I said no to that like 3 to 4 times because that wasn't me. You know, I'm not into fitness like that. I'm not always at the gym. I'm not a vegan or, only eat organic and vegan products or anything like that. But hey, it worked. So, just find a product you like or you believe in. But, even though I wasn't into health and wellness, I still love like some of the Live Good products like Super Reds. So I drink this about once a week, and it's just a powder. And you add it to your water, right? You just scoop it up like this, and add it to your water bottle. And then the mushroom coffee is just like this too. But I drink the mushroom coffee every day, so I've been saving money. But anywho, back to products, right? You've got to have products. If you are going to start posting consistently on social media, you've got to have a product to sell, right? And now let me tell y'all though, now let me tell you though, like on TikTok, I think it's easier because they have a lot of like trendy stuff. Like you can do a crumble cookie review and you'll get likes because every single week some people review crumble cookies. You can do a lot of they have a lot of like sounds, or they make it easy for you to just jump in somebody else's video, right? This here was a video of somebody walking through a tenant eviction, right? And so I just jumped on it and put my own little details in the captions. It's really easy to get started with TikTok. Instagram has something similar now, but for me, I don't find it as easy to use. But Instagram is easy because, again, you can just post a lot of memes. You can just repost a lot of stuff. And let me tell you, this reposting and memes, that leads me to my bonus, y'all. Now, here is the bonus. Have you ever noticed that sometimes different people are all talking about the same thing? All right. So like, for example, at the time of this recording, it's all over social media let me just show you. It's all over social media how Joe Biden says he is going to sign the bill to ban TikTok, right? So this particular week, everybody is talking about TikTok. TikTok banned. I'm just going to type TikTok banned on Instagram, right? So I'm going to try and find a meme real quick. See, but that's what I'm saying. Like, can't really find, I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to go to explore page. So, but anyway, everybody this week is talking about TikTok being banned. And so a lot of this stuff, y'all, is just stuff being reposted. But my point is this. You'll notice a lot of people are talking about the same stuff. And that is called jumping on a trend. Now, jumping on a trend helps you to quickly and easily build an audience or get views and get likes. That is not a coincidence when you see everybody and their mama talking about the same thing. TikTok getting banned, or you could even see, I'm just going to scroll on here real quick, and then you'll see you'll just start to notice, okay, home buyers need to make 80% more than they did in 2020 to buy a home in today's market, right? So this is called shout out pages, Black Wealth Renaissance, but you'll start to see a lot of people talking about the same stuff. Look at this. $100 is basically an adult dollar. You will see this reposted by other people in a different way on Facebook or on something else. Just post it your own way, right? You'll start to see the same stuff. And of course, I can't find it right now, but that's called jumping on a trend. So when you are building your audience, you want to find a way to jump on trends and implement whatever is trending with your business. Like I could jump on a trend and jump on social media right now and say, you know, how TikTok was my baby, how it was the first social media website that really got me a lot of clients. So just find a way and a reason to talk about whatever's trending. If Kanye West is trending, find a way or a reason to talk about Kanye and his shoes. All right. That's pretty much it, y'all. That is my bonus. And you know what? While we're at it, I'm gonna give you another bonus, okay? So here's another bonus. If you want to start getting brands, if you want to make money and think outside the box by getting brand deals, right? Say you get really good talking, right? This is for people who are good talking online. What you can do is on your TikTok page, you can put your email address right here in your bio. And these brands will actually reach out to you, right? The brands will reach out to you. They will send you an email saying, hey, would you like to do a video for us and our product, right? So like right here, I used to have my email address in there. I removed it because I'm not looking for any brand deals anymore. I had my fun with doing that. I'm just kind of focused on something else at this time, which I'm going to teach y'all all about later as well. But right now I'm focused on something else, which is why I don't post as much as I used to on social media. I used to post 3 times a day. But let me tell y'all, if you want brand deals, sponsorship deals, companies will reach out to you. But you've got to make that first move and start posting consistently first. Try to aim for 3 times a day so that you get in the algorithm, right? You get in these algorithms and then make sure you say right here in your bio what you do and add your email address. You just go to edit profile and then you type it right here under bio, right? On Facebook, you go to, I think Facebook too is one of the easiest places to really grow. But like on Facebook as well, you simply go in, go to your page, right? Click edit bio, add your email address in here. These people will reach out to you and send an email and say, hey, can you create a video for us about our new pen, right? We want you to create a video about our new pen or about our new microphone, whatever it may be. That's another bonus, right? Those are called becoming a influencer marketer or sponsorship deals. You might want to do some research on that, but let me know if you want me to do a deeper dive into this discussion, 3 steps into making money on social media. Now I'm going to tell you, I did a 1 question survey to my email list, and I asked them, what do you want to see me talk about more? And the topics were business funding, making passive income online, real estate, YouTube monetization, and making money on social media. So let me know in the comment section which type of video you want me to do next. All right. So again, if it's your first time here, I'm Katina Willis. Hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I will see you next time. Take care. Peace.